Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. I did finally get a camera, but this is the second time my camera has died before filming while I'm just trying to get the lighting right. So far, not loving this, but I've got to figure it out. Basically, we have another vlog today, but things have been wild, evacuating due to the fires in LA and holidays and all of that. So I have vlog footage from throughout the past couple weeks, but I needed to sit down and give you some more context, and I'm finally gonna do some major updates. I'm gonna do like the base of my makeup while I update you guys so that I can film something else right after this. I have a boyfriend. Yeah. We've been dating for like 4 months. Obviously, because my daughter and how I'm still dealing with the public aspect of my last relationship and learned a lot from there. So I've been trying to keep it like very chill, you know, like spend time getting to know him properly before telling the internet how incredible he is. It has been 4 months now, so I feel like it is time. I'm not sure because I just don't want to get him involved in all of this stuff, but he is such an incredible presence and like person in my life now. I literally was like, this is actually an angel coming into my life because he's been there for me throughout like really tough times. But what I feel is most powerful about this connection and this relationship that I have with him is that I had already gone through a lot and learned how to be okay on my own and learned how to be confident in my abilities to navigate all of the responsibilities and struggles in my life like by myself. I was just fully in that place where I found my security and safety and like a spot and flow in being a single mom. So it just makes it like that much better that he has been so helpful and so great and so supportive to me. But it came at a time when it wasn't that I needed help or I needed someone. He's just an addition and he just makes it better, and I'm still confident of my abilities like on my own. And yeah, so it's been really awesome. It also has been a little bit hard to do some vlogging as well because I'm always doing stuff with him and, you know, haven't shared that yet. Oh my gosh, this is what the most exciting thing is to share with you guys about our relationship. Basically, this is how we met. We met through a friend. He's a music producer. He was producing music for a friend of mine, and she brought him out to like hang out with us. So we had hung out like maybe like 3 times in a group setting. This is kind of gorge. Oh, okay. All right, that was incredible. But yeah, so then there was like one night where I was talking to him and I was just like, oh my gosh, like you sound incredible. You sound like you're saying things like from the inside of my brain. Like, where did you come from? I mean, he's from Australia. The times that I met him and hung out with him, like I didn't see it that way. It just wasn't like a blatant like, oh, obviously you're my type kind of thing. Like I think it's kind of hard to tell exactly what my type is because from who you guys have known I've dated, probably you can get an idea. I've also had other relationships and like other people that I've dated that have not been shared publicly, and they're basically all different. So after this one night, and I'm hearing all this stuff from him and I'm like, you're kind of incredible. Like we were talking about astrology a lot and just like the way that his energy was, I was like, do you have sisters? Because like, why are you like so good like this? And he's like, no, I just raised like really well. We were talking about astrology and stuff and found out that his mom is also a Leo. And so I was like, oh, okay, he gets it. I go home because I'm like, I'm feeling something. I don't know why, but like, I kind of feel like there's something between us. Let's just check it out on CoStar. I'm a big astrology girl, okay? I pay $10 to get our soulmate report, comparing our astrology charts. And you know what it came out as? Soulmates. So like literally like my moon sign is his Venus sign, and like my Venus sign is something that is hardly compatible with literally anyone except for his sign. His moon sign is my rising sign. His sun sign is my sister sign. So all of those things like we're just very like compatible in that way. And so I was like, oh my gosh, that's it. Like I am going to need him to take me on a date. So I was kind of just like talking to him a little bit, and then I felt comfortable because like we had already like hung out as friends. So I sent him a screenshot of the soulmate report. And then from there, we went on first date, and that's been history. He's basically everything I've ever wished I had as a partner, but you guys might be able to tell from experience and stuff. I will be like, this is it. They're perfect, and I kind of jump to that before taking adequate time to really let the person show me who they are, instead of me just creating a idealized version of them in my head. So I feel very confident that I know who he is now, but I still, like, things are just a little bit more complicated with my situation. So it's Christmas Eve. I transformed Gaia's crib into a toddler bed because last night, whoa, she's making her bed. She's doing it as she pleases. Of course, she has to have the Hermes. She wants every single blanket and every single pillow and every single stuffed animal that she can see. You like it? She likes it. She's been like not sleeping well, and she kept saying like, Mama's bed, Mama's bed. Last night I picked her up and she just really wanted to go on the couch, because like sometimes we like nap on the couch. This. And so she just got like all cozy like on the couch and said, night night. And so I was like, okay, like, do you want to sleep in here? So I let her sleep on the couch. I just had like my phone on high the whole night. So today I fixed this. I made that so she can have her crib like that. And then I anchored these so she can be in here and I don't have to worry. So I'm very excited, and she's very excited. You having fun climbing in? Whee! Oh my gosh, we needed so badly something new and exciting in her room because she was over it. She wants everything. I told you. She woke up like a couple times, and I was like, if you get up off the couch again, I'm gonna have to put you in your crib. So you gotta stay here. And then she listened and she did it. So she's got a big girl bed. Guy's got a big girl bed. I decided to transform that very quickly. Very soon after, we learned that she's not quite ready. Not quite ready for that, because she just was not sleeping anymore. She would wake up and just be like trying to get out of the room and call for me. So I ended up putting it back. Guys, do you know what's happening tomorrow? Nana and Pop Pop are coming over, and there's gonna be so many surprises. Yeah, because Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming tonight. Santa Claus is coming to town. The veggies, veggies, veggies. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so annoying. Am I gonna do that every vlog? I just can't even believe it. I can't even believe it. She's eating Erewhon right now. Guys, oh, my nails look like this because I ran out of time, but I also knew I was going to run out of time. I think I'm finding if I just do like one nail at a time, it's faster. I love you. Mwah. That was sweet. I'm gonna show her the TikTok I posted of us today. She's gonna love it. And also, I should have a new camera tomorrow for Christmas. That's what I asked for from my mom. So I'm so excited. Once Gaia goes to bed, once I put her to bed, it's time to build our Christmas presents. I really hope it's not too difficult. Either way, I'm gonna have fun. So excited for the morning. Here we go. Let's see what Santa brought you. Gaia, look here. What is this? What is that? Yeah, you could do it. Watch, like this. Pull it. Whoa! What is it? My goodness! Look at this. This is a spinny chair. Oh, and this is a light. I got you a new night light. Or Santa got you a new night light.
Oh, you got some feedback.
Open, please. She's just an MC.
DJ Gaia in the house.
Can I sing into it? Let me sing into it. Can I sing into it?
Above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. In the sky! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you're... Wow, good job. The bowls were empty. Leo's bowls were empty. And I hear like noise. I'm like, what is going on? And I turn and I look. And Gaia is dumping her water, trying to shake it into his bowl to give him water. It's like, here you go, Lily. Wah wah. I died. So then we just obviously filled it up, and that was just too cute. That was, I don't even know how to like process that. That was adorable. I'm right here. Whoa. Oh, up there? Go like this, look. Up at the ceiling? The photos?
Can I let her down?
No, let's wait till we're off this. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
Good girl.
Nice. There we go. Woo!
Yeah, take that.
Hi vlog, I'm back on my phone, but Guy and I are going on a little walk through my old neighborhood. This is where I grew up. Basically, we had to evacuate because of the fires in LA, which is extremely tragic and scary and very, very sad. Fires. So there were horrific wildfires in LA that burnt down entire towns in Los Angeles. Voluntarily evacuated just because like I didn't want to get stuck there. I have a dog and a baby, so packed up like all of the clothes for my Steele launch that I have, like all the stock I have already, all of my samples, all my purses, computer, camera, jewelry, designer shoes. Got out of there. We came here to my parents' house. I don't know, like so far the fires that were close to my house, they were put out. The next closest one is like getting contained, so these are all good signs, but I'm getting notifications from the app like every 30 minutes of like a new fire popping up or like it's spreading this way. So I really want to go back because, you know, like there's my stuff there, most of my stuff there. Like I want to go home, but I know that it's not good idea because who knows what will happen, and it would suck to like go back home and just have to get evacuated again. And it's obviously hard with Gaia. Like I had to pack everything up, pack the car, and then wake a Gaia up and be like, we're going to Nana. So you just got a notification. Okay, well, a lot of evacuation zones have like been lifted, so that's good signs. It's just like tragic. Like mom's law firm was having some sort of like summit or something at a hotel in Newport Beach, and so they had some extra hotel rooms that they couldn't get refunded, and we stayed there. And then after a while just went back to the house when everything was settled.
You haven't eaten it for shit?
Back in our seat.
Yeah.
You want help?
toys can be here.
Trainer told me what to. Here, give me this.
My baby!
You like an animal guy? You ready?
I took Gaia to Disneyland for the first time. It was so fun and so cute. Since we were staying in Orange County, we were like, oh my gosh, like why don't we just go to Disneyland? She's been obsessed with Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, the whole clubhouse. So we just thought that would be so much fun.
Member. Thank you.
No, like small ones.
You're so excited. You're so excited.
We're in line for Minnie Mouse. So far, very excited. What? We're not gonna go now, maybe later. We can go later, but we're gonna wait to see Minnie, okay? Oh my goodness. I've never had so much fun at Disneyland. We haven't even walked in. Okay, Gaia.
Ready? Go give him a hug.
Pluto! Oh, best time ever. She got to meet Minnie Mouse and a couple other of the characters. I was literally like, I want to get a season pass because this was the best. We went with my friend Sutton, who's also Gaia's nanny. So just the three of us had the best time. For my brand, we were supposed to have already shot the campaign and stuff, but then the fires happened, so now that's delayed as well. I need to work on setting that back up. I'm gonna go in my emails and do that after this. I've gotten most of the bulk stock and have been creating storage for it. So all of those things about Steele are about to be like moving. So I'm excited to bring you guys along for that journey. I've already talked so much and have so much footage for this video. So you will see more Steele behind the scenes vlog footage in the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye.